Hello lovely people, welcome back to the channel. So in today's pod chat video, I'm going to be talking about how we can swap certain habits, bad habits, with good ones. If you think this is something that you would find helpful as a great reminder, then you definitely need to keep on watching and listening. So one way we can start to swap habits is, let's say habit one, you wake up in the morning, the first thing you do is you pick up your phone. You can swap that with wake up in the morning and pray. Say a prayer, you can write, you get up and have a refreshing shower with some soothing music. You don't have to wake up each morning and instantly get on social media. Once you wake up, especially if you're expecting maybe a response from somebody or an email response or WhatsApp response to your chat message or text message, everything can wait. Every message can wait. As long as no one is in an emergency situation, it can wait. So wake up in the morning, say your prayer, do some writing if you prefer, go straight into the shower, brush your teeth, enjoy some nice soothing music, and even with a nice candle on as well. Another habit that we can swap is skipping breakfast. Now, I know people tend to say that breakfast is the most important meal of the day. And sometimes some people don't just like breakfast or choose not to have breakfast for various reasons. It could be that they're doing some sort of intermittent fasting. It could be that they're just too busy to take a moment to have breakfast in the morning. They just can't be bothered. Or it could be that they just don't like having breakfast. But a good way to swap that would be to make something that you actually enjoy. Make a quick fruit smoothie. It could be a fruit bowl. Go get some recipes online that you can try with ingredients that fruits that you actually love eating. Because a healthy person is a happy person. You don't want to go throughout your day feeling hungry and their tummy is growling and grumbling through the day until lunchtime, especially if you're in the office. So don't skip your breakfast. If you can afford not to skip your breakfast, enjoy a nice smoothie, a fruit bowl, a fruit salad, juice, something, So swap that habit with enjoying a nice breakfast. Another habit would be spending money on things that you really don't need. So we can swap that with investing, saving towards our big goals. It could be saving towards a holiday, a wedding, towards gifts, towards emergency situations, because sometimes life throws certain situations at us and we may not be prepared at the time to handle those situations. So instead of spending money on things you don't really need, why not save them or invest them in things that will give you good returns over time? Habit number 4, be eating or snacking when bored or not hungry. So a good habit we can swap this with would be to get some healthy treats, healthy bars, cereal bars, fruit bars, even healthy chocolate bars. Distract yourself with some music, with a podcast, with a video. Discipline yourself, eat fruit, get the necessary nutrients and nourishments you need for your body. So try to avoid eating and snacking when you're bored or when you're not hungry but you just feel like you want to chew on something. It's a different case if you're going through a downtime or a bad situation and you just feel a bit unhappy or depressed. But even then, you can still try to swap those snacks with something or things that are actually good for you instead of snacking on ice cream and chocolate, So let's try and swap the habits of eating or snacking when we're bored, or because other people are eating, we need to eat. If you are not hungry where you are, you don't have to eat. Don't force yourself to eat. Now, the last habit for the day would be always watching TV, Netflix, YouTube. You can swap this with doing no harm in watching TV or YouTube at least. Because you have all sorts of things on TV, but on YouTube you have all sorts, but you can choose what you want to watch, if that makes sense. So you can choose to do a workout video on YouTube. You can go for a walk instead of watching TV all day. If you're bored, you can go for a jog. You can do some steps, set a goal for yourself. I want to do 8,000 steps today for yourself. So you could even be watching a show on Netflix or YouTube or on TV, but at the same time you're also keeping active while doing so. So let's try and take care of ourselves while we are doing things that at the moment are fun for us, are good distractions for us. Not that there's anything bad, but sometimes we have to do something that we haven't done before to get the results that we want to get. Right? You have to be a different person sometimes to get to where you need to get to. So I hope that you find this helpful. Let's try our best to be better versions of ourselves in 2023. Let's try our best to pray, to write, to check up on people that we missed checking up on in the last year. Check up on your friends, eat well, get some sleep, save your money, invest correctly, or at least invest intentionally in the right places. There will always be risk associated with investing, but invest wisely, eat well, do your shopping, prep your meals, do your workouts, and all that good stuff. Alright, so I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please leave a comment below. Let me know which of these habits, or if you have any other habits that I of course did not mention, feel free to drop them down below in the comment section and let me know how you intend to swap that or replace it with a better habit. Share this video, leave a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications as well. Thank you so much for watching. Until my next What Chats, take care of yourself and be good.